Ever seen a bird with built-in wires for flirting? Meet the 12-wired bird of paradise, native to New Guinea and nearby islands. The male sports a sleeky black body, yellow flanks and yes, 12 wire-like tail feathers that stick out like stylish antennae. And he used those wires for one thing, courtship. During mating display, he hops around a perch and brushes those wires against the female face like a feather message. Add in a unique dance and a robotic sounding call. Total jungle showman. The 12-wired bird of paradise proves that love in the rainforest is all about rhythm, color, and creative grooming.